Welcome to the channel. It's good to be here. This is another segment. This is the second part of exploring the Jumbo 747 stay here at Arlanda International Airport in Sweden. So now let's just go and see the outside. It's really freezing. Yeah, the paint job, I think it really needs a little bit of a paint job, but I don't think it's really worth it anyway, considering that it's always freezing like this. And as you can see, no smoking. How do I open this? Okay, so hey, and it's slippery as well. So all these, it's turned into the rooms. All these are rooms, and that's the wingspan. That's actually that engine as well. It's actually the accommodation. You can actually book for that one. It depends with your preferences. If you want to stay outside, you can stay outside there. I'm walking a little bit too slow because I'm afraid to sleep here. Oh, one other good thing I like about this, especially for people like me who likes planes, you can actually come to do plane spotting here. That one is, I'm not sure whether it's about taxiing to go or it has just landed. Let's just have a look. And there's another one behind there. So actually you can walk all this length here. You can actually come and sit down as well. Can you believe it? I'm actually walking on top of a wing of the 747 jumbo jet. Okay, let's talk about this Air China coming in. Okay, so this is Air China. It's a cargo plane, so I presumably this area here is for the cargo landings, and on that far right side, that's the for not the other one. Hey, I can't really even think now. I'm scared to sleep. Okay, let me go hold on to the rail. I'm still walking on the wing. Imagine how long this wing is. That's KLM. There's another one. They're just landing. I think I will have to cover on the plane spotting tomorrow. Tonight, let me just focus on covering the outside of the jumbo jet. So this is where the wingspan ends. This thing is massive. It's a good experience to just come here to Arlanda and enjoy this experience. I can't imagine, believe I'm like standing on right on top of the wing. I'm right on top of the wing. And I can see the whole of the airport from this end. This is beautiful. Oh, it's freezing. Let me go back inside. I'll try and cover this tomorrow. And whether you have got transport or not, you see, like that bus, those shuttle bus, they do like every 15 minutes. So you can just drop off at one of these bus stops, the one on under these bushes, or the one where I dropped off where the car rentals are, and then you can just walk across. If you want to buy anything, you can just go to the airport launches there. There's McDonald's as well there, some restaurants as well, and then you can just come back. Every 15 minutes there's a bus. Oh, oops. This is too dangerous for me to go walk here. Or if it is not cold as like it is tonight, you can just come out here for some fresh air, sit down on the benches and enjoy all these nice views. The 747 now, that's why it is called the Queen of the Skies. This is a very, very huge plane. And planes are landing. I don't even. Can I say every after 3 minutes? Which one is this one? Oh, that's a UNICEF one. Let me remove all the ices. I can't take this since I have been given the privilege to go in with my shoes. That's the cockpit. That's where I am there. Let's go inside and check in the other rooms. As usual, I'll hide the code. It's quite warm inside. Out there it's freezing. And you can buy some snacks as well here, and that's some bit of history. Jumbo Stockholm, and that's the reception area. lots of history. And some notice boards as well. So I'm gonna be talking slowly. I don't know whether some other people will be sleeping. All this corridor, all these doors. It's the one. This is the accommodation. Oh, some pictures. Lots of history. I think this is when they were building it up. Yeah, you can see that's when they were building it up. Package drop off. So 738, 739. Oh, these are room numbers. To be honest, it's quite clean for a jumbo jet. 746. This one is prohibited to access without. Please be quiet, sleeping guest. So I was right. This is only the emergency exit. Wow. I have never actually tended this. It's quite heavy. Do not sit. This is the actual 747 boy. I'm glad I come here. It's actually a dream come true for me to come here. I forgot to ask him. You can actually see. I forgot to ask the guy. Wow. Okay, so this is the bathroom for the other guests. Me, I've got my own bathroom because I am on the cockpit. But if you are asleep, having other here, this is the bathroom. It's small, but nice, compatible. You can actually pull up your curtain there. That's the shower. And the shower gels. I like how they are cleaning everything. Seems so spotless. It's well cleaned. As a courtesy to the next passenger, may we suggest that you use your towel to wipe off water basin. Thank you. Wow. It's nice. Very spotless. I like it. This is another one. Spotless as well. Really nice. And before I go, this door really looks so heavy. And this is the plan. So there, that's where the cafe is. Next to reception. Let me look on this other. That's another shower as well. They are all pretty much the same. Nice. Beautiful. All these rooms. Wow. Did I see this picture? This is when they were like removing all the seats, turning it into. I'm not sure how big these rooms are, but they should be good sizable. Yeah, so that's the guy I met, the Amir, the manager. These are housekeeping, economy affairs. I don't know what that means. Atlanta Airport. Jumbo. That guy Amir is a very nice guy. And there's some bit of the city map. These are like things to do. Let me get. I might need this one. The city map, what to do. And maybe this one. This one. Uppsala, need to read about it. That's very nice. So I will head back. Oh, I'm still talking slowly. I forgot that I've left that area. So what is this one? Oh, is this another shower? Oh yes. This one is massive. Look how spotless it is. Very clean. Wow. I'm even scared to walk on here. And the massive mirror as well. I don't want to mess up, put some dirt in there. Because I'm even scared to step my foot in there. That's how clean the floor is. This one is big. So I think all in all there are about 5 showers all together. So before I go now, it's time for me to get my key. So I would put the camera away. So these are where the ordinary rooms. My key for the cockpit is up here. So that's pretty much covered there. Now let me go upstairs to my room. In the next video I will come and I will talk about the canteen, I think.